It is with great pleasure to announce for the ISES International Semiconductor Executive Summit Hall of Fame 2022 to induct Dr. Babak Sabi of Intel. The International Semiconductor Executive Summits will be here for generations and generations and generations to come. And Dr. Babak Sabi, your legacy, your hard work, your recognition deserves to be celebrated. I hereby leave comments from other industry colleagues who have their perspectives on why your legacy is celebrated tonight.
I'm Mustafa Ghazadeh with Intel Corporation. First off, I want to express my congratulations to Babak Sabi for a well-deserved nomination for the ISES Hall of Fame recognition. I've known Babak and have had the honor and privilege of working with him for the past 35 years. I can summarize Babak's leadership in 3 words. He's a visionary, he's an inspirational, and a transformational leader. And today, I strongly believe that he's considered as one of the most influential industry leaders in the microelectronics packaging area.
Dr. Babak Sabi, congratulations on being nominated for the ISES Hall of Fame. My first memory of Babak was when I joined Technology and Manufacturing Group staff. Babak was already a member, and Babak was always very clear, very direct, very to the point, and didn't suffer fools gladly. So I was able to learn from him very quickly.
Congratulations, Dr. Babak Sabi, for being selected to the ISES Hall of Fame. I had the pleasure to meet you when I attended my first ever industry event in Shanghai, and here we are today, at the most exciting time for the computing industry. Over the past few years, you have delivered some of the most powerful and inspirational keynotes on the importance of advanced packaging to enable high-performance computing.
I wanted to say congratulations to Dr. Babak Sabi for being conducted into ISES Hall of Fame. Babak has had a huge impact on Intel's and semiconductor packaging ecosystem. Most people know Babak for his innovation and drive, and for the impact that he's had in advancing the state-of-the-art in packaging technology. But many of us at Intel know him as a wonderful leader, one that really has had a huge and positive impact on the career and lives of many leaders at Intel. This is such a deserving award for Babak. I'm so happy for him. Congratulations, Babak. Look forward to many more awards like this for you in the future.
Congratulations, Babak, on being nominated to the Hall of Fame of ISES. This is a great recognition of your accomplishments over many decades. I'm happy to know you and worked with you for more than 20 years. You are a giant in our field of packaging. Hope you'll continue to advance the frontiers in packaging for many more years. Congratulations again.
Dr. Babak Sabi, congratulations on being selected at the ISES Hall of Fame. I met Babak at ISES in 2018, first time, and I was very impressed with his depth of knowledge, not only in packaging technology roadmap, but also in the process and process control equipment. Packaging industry is at a pivotal moment due to the introduction of more advanced technologies and architecture. There is no doubt that Intel is leading the way in wafer-level assembly and substrates.
Dear Dr. Babak Sabi, congratulations with your nomination this year to the ISES Hall of Fame. We have had regular contact over several years. And we have followed many of your suggestions and advice for the advanced packaging technologies, which has been you've always been an inspiration personally for me on this. And I would also like to congratulate in the name of Richard Blickman, our CEO, whom you well know. The relationship with Besi has gone back to 1985, 1986, with the start involvement in the 286 and the 386. These were different times, but also very interesting times.
Dear Dr. Sabi, on behalf of myself and all of us at IMEC, please accept our sincere congratulations on the well-deserved recognition of nominations to the ISES Hall of Fame. Under your capable leadership, Intel has been and will continue to be the true pioneer in assembly and test technology development, and has had major transformational contributions to not only Intel, but the industry, and has continued to provide more pathways for Moore's Law to thrive in parallel to geometrical scaling. And your leadership, your vision, truly deserves the recognition that this nomination can provide.
Now, reflecting back on Babak's career, he's had his fingerprints pretty much on all of the products that Intel has launched. And these are the products that have changed the world for the better. During his first chapter of Intel life, he led Intel's quality network. During this time, he delighted our customers with superb product quality by building strong foundation and approaches to design for quality and manufacturing quality assurance, and then extended all of these models and expectations to our suppliers and partners. And over the last 15 years, Babak has propelled Intel's packaging to an industry leadership position by establishing a vision for greatness and innovation, and by building and leading high-performing and highly skilled teams to achieve his vision. And along the way, he has influenced and reshaped the back-end supply chain and ecosystem, which has really benefited the entire industry. And lastly, and probably his biggest contribution, has been inspiring and developing many of the industry's senior and executive leaders, both within Intel and outside of Intel, who are leading the industry today and will carry his legacy forward for many years to come. And once again, congratulations to Babak. Thank you.
For more than the past decade, Babak has led the Assembly Test Technology Group within Intel, and what an impact his leadership has made. He has led significant advances in test technology. He has led significant advances in packaging technology, not just within Intel. Many of these were first within the industry, and as a result, it has also helped shape and grow the ecosystem that supports assembly, test, and packaging.
Innovations developed under your leadership, including Intel's Foveros and eMake technologies, are key to the industry's most advanced packaging platforms. Intel is very fortunate to have your leadership and vision. And on behalf of Applied Materials, I want to give you my heartfelt congratulations on being selected to the Hall of Fame.
Babak has been very instrumental to Intel and the overall semiconductor industry. His work is going to be a crucial stepping stone for the entire industry for several years to come. In addition to his knowledge across multiple technical fields, Babak comes across very approachable. He's always supportive of new ideas and he's very direct in his feedbacks to the suppliers. He makes us all better. Babak, once again, congratulations on being nominated at the ISES Hall of Fame.
If I look at your beautiful career path, and I saw that we started at the same time. You started in Intel in 1984, I think it was September, which is around the same time I started at the ASM in the front-end part. So we have some commonality there. I've always appreciated your enormous knowledge and I would say experience you have built up over the years in the advanced packaging. We've definitely learned a lot from you, appreciated the sometimes strong discussions we had and the suggestions you gave us. These were always, to the end for us, very, very useful. Yeah? And I would also say that when you and I started in the semiconductor front-end side, life was very exciting, a lot of new process. And personally, I feel that this excitement is back, and now in our back-end world, which is becoming extremely important for the next step. So sometimes I wish I could do another round, so to speak, start all over again, and probably you have the same feeling. So I wish you, for the coming years, a lot of success and continuation of the good work, of course, good health and happiness.
Your collaborative and kind approach not only has inspired your team, but has fostered the spirit of collaboration in the assembly and test segment of the semiconductor industry, which has fueled the further innovation in this segment. Congratulations again, and a sincere appreciation on behalf of IMEC and the industry for your contributions, for your leadership, and on a personal level, for your friendship, which I truly cherish. Congratulations.
So, Dr. Babak Sabi, congratulations and thank you. I hereby leave the last message to Pat Gelsinger, CEO of Intel.
Babak, congratulations on being nominated to the ISES Hall of Fame. You're great. When I came back to the company, I was so thrilled to see the leadership role that you continue to play and how instrumental you are in delivering next generation technologies. We have an abundance of inventions and solutions in materials, transistors, circuit topologies, all of these that allow us to continue to deliver on performance, power, cost improvements for generations of semiconductors as we advance and manufacture at scale. On top of that, key new advancements in packaging technologies like Intel's EMIB and Foveros, which are ushering in a new era in chip making, expanding from what you can design on a single chip to what you can mix and match together in a flexible system and package solution. With almost 4 decades in the industry, 10 papers on reliability physics, 5 Intel Achievement Awards, and 2 patents, your expertise is what will help deliver on the once-in-a-generation opportunity ahead of us. And that's for both us as well as the industry, fueling the transformation as every company becomes a technology company. Thank you so much, Babak. Congratulations.